Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. Imagine you're working on your computer, deep in concentration, when suddenly your screen goes black and you get that dreaded message, "No bootable device found." Yep, the good old problem of the missing boot device. This issue can be a real headache and leave you feeling frustrated, but fret not, because we've got the solution for you. In situations like this, the solution lies in checking your computer's BIOS settings. The BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is responsible for initializing your hardware components and ensuring that your operating system loads correctly. To fix the "No bootable device found" problem, you'll need to access the BIOS by restarting your computer and pressing the designated key, usually Del, F2, F10, or Escape depending on your device. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the Boot tab and make sure that your primary boot device is set correctly. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Voila, problem solved. Now, if adjusting the BIOS settings doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check your hard drive connections. It's possible that a loose or faulty connection is preventing your computer from detecting the boot device. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to your hard drive and motherboard. You might also want to try swapping out the SATA or power cables with new ones to see if that makes a difference. Sometimes it's the simple solutions that do the trick. In summary, encountering the "No bootable device found" error can be a frustrating experience. But with a bit of troubleshooting in the BIOS settings and checking your hard drive connections, you can get your computer back up and running in no time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below sharing your own tech support adventures. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!